In this video, we will be looking at how to make a 100% sunflower oil. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ego the Messy Super, and I'm glad to have you back to this channel this week. Now, previously on this channel, we started a one oil series soap making, okay, and we have come a long way. We have done a couple of oils. We've done coconut, olive oil, palm oil, and shea butter. Now today we'll be looking at sunflower oil. If you're not subscribed to this channel, trust me, you are missing a lot. By this time you should have turned on your post notification bell so that you would know when we drop a video. So welcome, let's get into this video. Now, sunflower oil is one of my favorite oils because it is very moisturizing and soothing to the skin. Okay, it's great for dry skin because it comes with a lot of conditioning effects. It's great for matured skin, and it's a soft oil, so it makes a soft bar. And when it comes to using it at a particular percentage, I don't like to use it more than 20 to 30% in my soap making. And if I'm hitting a 30% mark, that means I am going for lovely colorful swirls in my soap because it keeps your trace low. It's slow to trace and it gives you all the time to work with your batter. So if you're an artisan, a soap artisan, and you're looking for that oil that would wait for you while you do what you want to do, then sunflower oil is your oil. Sunflower oil brings a stable lather and a silky feel to your soap, which is very, very soft on the skin when you use. Like, you can't just get over the feel of sunflower. Sunflower also has health benefits, and sunflower, I want to think that the sunflowers that are stocked in Nigeria are high oleic, because there are different types of sunflower. We have high linoleic, we have high oleic, and we have steric with oleic, a mixture. Now, linoleic and high oleic stay very fluid at room temperature, which makes it a soft oil, while the steric / oleic is saturated fat and it stays solid at room temperature and is used for diverse food cooking, right? Like industrial frying, chocolates and ice cream and all of that. Okay, so let's not talk about everything here. Let's get into the video and we'll talk about the rest. See you. Sunflower is one of the best for making a moisturizing bar soap. The linoleic acid makes it great for dry skin and it feels amazing on the skin, especially when you rub it off against your skin, because it is a soft oil. It also has some unsaponifiables that will not convert to soap, that nourishes the body, just like shea butter. If you remember, sunflower is very conditioning and adds swords to your soap. Sunflower is thought to not be used at more than 20% as it creates a very soft bar. Being high in linoleic fatty acid can be gentle on the skin and gives a softer soap. But downsides of linoleic acid comes with a shorter shelf life than many other oils. Look at how beautiful this sunflower oil is. So I'm just checking the temperature here to make sure I'm soaping in 10 degrees apart from each other. So the oil is 28 degrees Celsius and the lye is 29. Perfect. So let's get this bus on the road. So let's emulsify everything. Sunflower has a lot of many health benefits because it is low in saturated fat and high in two types of fatty acid, which is the polyunsaturated fatty acid and the mono fatty acid. As I said before, there are types of sunflower, which is high oleic, high linoleic, and steric mid-oleic. Sunflower's fatty acid profile is 1 gram of saturated fat, 11 grams of mono unsaturated fat and 0.5 grams of polyunsaturated fat. Now you can see that I'm having a hard time mixing this sunflower oil with my lye solution, and that's what we are talking about. So I come in with my stick blender because it's going to take a while to emulsify, as you are going to see in this video. This is the longest time I would be beating or stick blending an oil to emulsify. It's amazing, and I'm glad I started this one oil soap series. Now, as I lift up my stick blender, I expect to see the creamy nature on the top of my stick blender once I lift it up. If that doesn't happen, it has not emulsified. That is a tip for you. Linoleic acid is commonly known as omega-6, and it is a polyunsaturated fatty acid, while oleic is omega-9 and is a monounsaturated fatty acid. These properties, now this is what I'm talking about. You can see the emulsification happening on the stick of my blender. So it's getting emulsified gradually. Now, these properties is what makes them liquid at room temperature, and however they react differently to heat while cooking and may have various effects on our health. High steric, high oleic is a saturated fat. You know, we talked about different types of sunflower. Yeah, so this high steric oleic is a saturated fat, and it is solid at room temperature, and it is used for different culinary applications like ice creams, chocolates, and frying. All right, so I've gotten this soap emulsified finally, and it is such a beautiful pour. And I must say, although we didn't fragrance these bars, we are not using fragrance in our one oil soap series because we want to see how they react naturally without fragrance, color, or anything, just oil, water, and lye. This soap smells like white tea. I don't know if you've smelled white tea before. Like, there's this fragrance called white tea, and it's amazing too how fragrances come differently for different people. I just wanted to say that, but to my own nostrils, they came off as white tea, and it smells so amazing to me naturally. Now, I kept this bar to cure for 3 days, not to cure, sorry, to unmold it for 3 days. This is the 3rd day, and look at how soft this bar of soap is. This is our 100% sunflower oil, and it is super soft. Even our olive oil, I don't know if it did like our olive oil didn't do like this. Oh my god, this is so soft. I couldn't even dare to unmold the rest because it was pretty soft, and I thought, okay, for the sake of this video, let me just use this one to do the lather test. Yeah, but it is really soft. I think it's about the softest bar I have made so far in this series. It's so soft, and but look at the bubbles it's bringing. It's giving good lather, I must say. And I mean, it's so soft and conditioning, and it is effortlessly lathering. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even need to rub this so much, but it is sticky. It's a sticky bar. I do not recommend you sell this bar just like this because it is really, really sticky. But oh my god, it gives such lovely bubbles. Look at that, very stable bubbles. You can see I was poking them, but they were there still. Guys, if you're considering putting a sunflower oil recipe in your range or line, look at how sticky this is. You might want to try out a salt solution in your recipe, okay, and see how that works for you. All right, if you insist. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy soaping.